Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. What I wanted to talk about today was the directory. And so as a construction team member, what is your responsibility with directory? Basically what it is you need to add new people to the project as you see fit. And so in order to get to the directory tool, go Home and then go Directory. And so what could happen here is you might have a construction team member or you might have another staff member that needs access to this project. And so this is a way to do it. You can go into the directory and you can add them to your project. If you do not add them, there is no way that they can access this. So this will be a responsibility of construction team members and construction managers that they will have to add summer staff as well as each other to certain projects. So there's two ways you can do it. If they already have a profile in Procore, then you just need to bulk add from company directory. And so from here you can search their name. So I'm going to add David to this project. And then here basically it will allow you to select a permission template for them. So at this point you will probably only be able to see a summer staff member, and then maybe you'll be able to see client and construction manager, but that's about it. I have access to a little bit more. So go ahead, select whatever role they are, and then I always like to do notify. This will tell them, it'll send them an email and say, hey, you've been added to a project. So this gives them access to it as well as it lets them know what's going on. So let's say that they don't already have a Procore account. What do you do then? You can just go and say add person. So this you have to put a little bit more information in. You can say Bill Nye, email address, probably billnye@gmail.com, and then apply a permission template. And like I said before, you'll be limited to how many people you can add. You'll probably just have summer staff and construction team member. So let's add a summer staff member and then click add. Okay, at this point, I know this screen can be a little bit confusing, but in reality, you don't have to do anything here. You can scroll through it and see what they are. If you wanted to, you could add a job title or their phone number, but they can actually change all of this once they are logged on to Procore. The only thing you do want to make sure is that you have the correct project permission template. So here, once again, I have summer staff, so that's exactly what I need. And then this stuff, you don't want to select any of this stuff either. So just go ahead and hit save and send invitation to Procore. Okay, and that's really all you need to know. That is the basics of using the directory tool. One thing you should be aware of is that if you need to add someone to a project, you have to do it from the desktop. This cannot be done from a mobile application yet. It'd be great if they were to add that feature in the future, but as of now, you can't just jump on your phone and add someone to a project. It has to be done through the desktop platform. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.